the Cartograph Maps app is now also available for Google WearOS. It is a standalone app, which means it does not need another device in its vicinity. So first let's have a look at the app. Start the app. We have maps where we can view maps for Cartograph Maps. We can download maps for the whole world here. So first let's take a look at the Austria map. You can zoom. Move around. So this is the Maps Forge Elevate mountain bike theme. Let's switch to a hiking theme. You can add bookmarks. You can move the bookmark. You can rotate the map. You can start recording with a countdown. Then we can view tracks, routes. Let's take a look at routes, for example. We can transfer a route from the normal app to the watch. Therefore we calculate the route. And we send it to the watch. Now the route appears here. And we can use the route for navigation. We can connect sensors, for example an external cadence or power sensor. And we have settings for the countdown, routing settings. We can change the colors of the tracks.